entire inaugural so far came, I think, when the Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer spoke, and he gave his speech as one of the two co-chairs of the inaugural committee. And many members of the crowd, not here close to President Trump, but other supporters of President Trump, were heckling him and booing him and chanting Trump's name, chanting other things that I won't say on television. And it was interesting because of all the lawmakers on Capitol Hill that Donald Trump is going to be dealing with now, he's actually closest with Chuck Schumer. He's given him money. He's supported him in the past. Chuck Schumer is his senator. So it's interesting, even though Schumer obviously a partisan Democrat, they're going to be butting heads a lot in the future. It's interesting because he does have a relationship with Chuck Schumer in between a week or so ago. He called him the chief clown. Is that real? That's his new position.